I think this region's really special, and the Plains are special because it is the most amazing agricultural powerhouse region for all the right natural resources and everything. So we have amazing water underneath these amazingly deep soils. We have a really temperate climate, so we can grow crops all year round. There's a story that you can plant a needle and it will grow into a crowbar in the soils. They're so rich on the Liverpool Plains.
It's just a different type of Australia, and I think more people need to try and get over the range and see it, because there's so much to see and it's so different. And I think even people living in Australia don't know about regional Australia and how amazing it is.
For many people it's a real surprise when they actually happen to come here and see what it's like, because it is so amazingly beautiful. It does have so many different enterprises, so many different people, so many different little communities.